name's Michael, and I'm 8 years old. I'm sick now, so I have to stay at hospital. Even worse, I cannot leave this room.
Hello, I'm Michael's mom. I was told my son needs to be isolated. I'm worried about him. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Hi, I'm Nurse Nancy. Child may face isolation during hospitalization. Nurses and parents need to help them to be prepared, give them enough information, help them organize their life in the isolated room, and encourage them to face it. Michael will have to stay in his room all the time because the lab results showed he got viral infection.
What does that mean?
We call that isolation. When others get into his room, they need to dress gown, mask, and gloves. He cannot get out of his room unless we need to do some special test, and it has to be out of his room, and he will need to wear gown, gloves, and mask in order to get out of the room.
That must be so scary and tough to my boy.
Yes, I understand. So I'm wondering we can explain this together to Michael. The more he understands, the less scary it will be.
Please tell me, what can I do?
I believe he trusts you the most. So, first, you can explain to him why he needs to be isolated, to encourage him to fight with the germ. Then I can explain to him what is the germ, what he will see, and what we will do in the room. Make sure his favorite toy with him so he feels safe. Make sure his schedule is full, and tell him what exact time you will be here so he will know what to expect.
I will do that. Please help me. Hi, Michael. How do you feel today?
Not very well.
My poor boy. Don't worry. Mom is here, and I bought your favorite video game and your toys.
Awesome! Thank you, Mom. I love it.
Michael, Mom has an important thing to tell you. It might be a little shock, but I know you're a brave boy and you can do it.
I'm so brave. As a Spider-Man.
Of course. Just now, Nurse Nancy told me you need to live in this special room called isolation room and cannot get out for 10 days because you are infected by a special germ.
Isolation room and germ? What was that?
Nancy will explain to you.
Hi Michael, I'm Nurse Nancy. How are you?
Hi. A little bored here. My mom told me I cannot go back home and I have to stay here for 10 days. Is that right?
Yes, you are infected by germ. You need to fight with the germ. Mom and nurses and all the doctors here will help you. Once you beat the germ, you can go home.
Germ? What is germ?
Germ is a group of tiny invaders that can make our body sick. It includes bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. Most of the time, it's bacteria and virus make us sick.
Are they like bugs?
No, actually, germs are very tiny and you have to use the microscope in order to see them. They creep into your body without being noticed. We don't know what hit us until we have symptoms that we say we have been attacked.
I hate germs.
Not all germs are bad. There are some good germs in our body to keep our body in balance. Only the bad germs make us sick. The germ in your body is a special one. When you touch somebody or somebody touch you, the germ will go to other person's body and make them sick. So we need to be together to fight with these germs. Your mom told me you like Spider-Man, Spider-Man is very brave. You want to be brave as a Spider-Man, right?
Yes, but can my mom with me?
Of course. But your room is very special. Anyone wants to see you, they need to wear special clothes called gown, mask and gloves, so that everyone can be protected.
Will you and my mom visit me often?
Of course, the nurse will check your vital signs including blood pressure, heartbeat and breath. Sometimes we need to take the blood from your arm and send it to the test. And also, we need to give you medication to help you win the fight. Your mom will visit you, except that she needs to wear the special suit.
What if I feel lonely? And what if I miss my buddies?
You can phone them. You just think you need to fight with germ first, and you cannot let your body get infected. Once you beat the germ, you can play with your body. You also can bring your favorite storybooks and CDs. Now, you can make a schedule with your mom.
Awesome!
Michael, I know you will be lonely here in the room. Mom will be here every day after lunch and dinner. But if I'm not here, don't be scared. Try to transfer your attention to something else, like reading a story or listening to the song.
When I miss you, Mom, can I call you?
Anytime, my dear. I want to hear my boy's voice. I want to know how brave my boy is. It won't be too long. I brought a small calendar, so you can make a check when each day passes. After all these 10 days checked, then you can go home. What do you feel now, my boy?
I'm okay. I think I will be cool.
Now tell me what you want to do today so we can make a schedule together.